Hello today. I'm going to show you how to replace your tires. First, of course, in City Pizza, you should go to Gear 1 and pull the handbrake on the other side of the car. You should support it on the opposite side with wedges. Go and get the jack into position. Remove the center hub system with an additional tool and loosen the bolts a little bit. And halfway, that's enough. Pump up the car, then add a secure additional security underneath, and of course, in this case, we're going to use a tool to remove the bolts out of the system. Then, of course, we can remove the tire out of the system, and we are going to replace them, for example. Then clean the wheel hub. After you clean that, you should get a little bit of glue onto it, and then you can install the new tire and the new wheel on it. There you should make the minimum of tightening if you're going to use a tool for that. And after you perform this, you can tighten this in a cross direction, remove the additional wedge underneath and get the car back on the ground. Use the torque wrench with 120 Newton meter to tighten the bolts with 120 Newton meter in a cross direction. Place the hub and remove the wedges. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you on my channel. That's on.